Hey guys, Pete Soma here with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on the all-new 2027 Scout 220 XSF. I'll give you a quick profile shot here. This is the Scout white hull that will match on the T-top. We have a beautiful upholstery inside to kind of flow with everything else. Let's go take a look. All right, here inside the cockpit, again, highlighting this Bianca color interior. Goes really well with the hull color itself. Our transom seat back here does fold up very nicely. It's the nice part about Scout, really kind of multi-purpose boat. If you're fishing, you have plenty of room back here. If you're not, pull that seat back out. Ski tow bar. This boat is powered with a white Mercury 200. Got our live well right here. Leaning post, I really like this. We have our rocket launchers here across the back and rocket launchers up here on the T-top. Igloo cooler. Cup holders all over this boat. Working our way up to the helm, we actually have two individual bolsters. Articulating wheel. We do have our Mercury vessel view display right here. Garmin, obviously our stereo, all of our switching, our throttles. One thing I really like on the 220 is obviously the window for the T-top. You're not going to see that on too many 22-foot center consoles. Storage compartment, you can actually probably put a little porta potty down there. Working our way forward. Up on the T-top here, we do have a forward facing spreader light and one aft as well. Right in front of the T-top, very, very spacious lounger. Fish box and cooler storage right here. All of our cushions are removable. Same thing with these backrests here. We can pop those in and out. Again, just depending on how you're using the boat. And then finally, more storage underneath both of our seats. These are all insulated, so we can load those up with ice, fish, drinks, anything you want. All right, guys, again, 2027 Scout 220 XSF here at MarineMax Brick. I'm Pete Soma. I'll see you on the water.